If you're looking for a colorful way to feel free and playful through painting, welcome! We're going to paint flower marks of different sizes and colors. This playful watercolor exercise is something you can do anytime you want to let go of stress and forget about the need of being perfect. Especially when you feel like you've neglected your inner child for a while. And at the same time, you'll be creating a mindful piece of art. You'll see how fun and easy it is. Find a peaceful spot wherever you are, grab your supplies and let's be playful together. Start this painting by choosing any colors that spark that childlike joy in you. These can be pink, red, yellow, orange and purple, but it's best to let your intuition choose the colors. Now you can scatter the petals wherever you want on the paper. This is your playground and it has no rules, so don't be afraid to experiment. Paint the petals in your own way by making big brush marks and smaller brush marks in a circle shape. Just play around with your brush. It doesn't have to look exactly the same as what I'm doing. Keep changing the colors if you want a more colorful pattern of flowers, but it is up to you. It's going to be just as beautiful even if you keep playing with only 2 or 3 colors. As your brush is playing on the paper, pay attention to how your inner child feels. Can you remember the last time you felt free to do anything you wanted? If you've neglected your inner child for a while, now is the perfect time to rediscover how great it feels to play with no worries or obligations. As you fill up the page with colorful flowers, try to let go of the perfectionism that adulthood has forced you into. You can paint them anywhere and in any color you want. Your flowers can be big, small, uneven, and they can all look different. There are no rules to how much you can play and experiment with watercolor painting. Your inner child thrives when you're happy and helps you to see the beauty in everything around you. Mix and match the colors however you please. All that matters is that this painting helps you express yourself freely and that it's making you see how easy it is to be playful if you want to. When you're done painting, grab a thin marker and start adding details to your flowers. I'm using a 0.1 marker, but if you don't have one, it's okay. You can use any pen you have laying around, or even use a thin brush and paint with black paint. While placing your pen on the paper, try to remember the last time you let playfulness be part of your life. Was it when you last took a trip and you felt completely relaxed? Was it when you watched your favorite show and you forgot about real-life worries? Maybe when you last talked to your friend about anything and everything. These moments help you remember that life is more than just responsibilities and chores. You have to let your inner child play and explore the world just like you did when you were young. As you finish up your painting, remember, you can easily feel that childlike joy again. The secret is to do something you truly enjoy, without the fear of judgment or failure. After all, it only matters how you feel inside, not how things turn out in the end. Thank you for painting with me. I hope you enjoyed this playfulness exercise and I can't wait to paint with you next time.